Okay, so what have been the advantages to shareholders following the change? Susan, what have been the advantages to shareholders?
Well, the main advantage has been that the share price has risen considerably for shareholders. I'm pleased to say the share price has moved from being on a persistent discount to being at a consistent premium so far since the change. We've been able to issue more shares to grow the company. In fact, the share issues have been so popular that we've had to hold 2 shareholder meetings since our AGM to authorise the issue of further shares. In the last financial year, there was outperformance of both the NAV and the share price, and the company, despite the tender, is larger at this year end than it was at the previous year end.
Well, it's great to hear you're issuing shares because there's so much demand for those shares and the company's grown. That's wonderful news. Arthur, what's been the advantages to shareholders following the change?
Pretty similar to Susan's, really. The share price since the change has increased by well over 60%, and the discount has been virtually wiped out. It was 8% at the time of the change, and it's now at or around net asset value. So the shareholder experience has been fantastically better since the change than it was before the change. Obviously, that's due almost entirely to the beyond tech bounce, as it were, because the UK value style has been massively brought back into favour from its previous pariah status. But I think shareholders should be pleased, and I've had some very positive feedback from shareholders about the change, and so far at least it seems to be going extremely well.
Well, it's great to hear the share prices bounce and the discounts coming. That's really great. Glen, what have been the advantages to your shareholders following the change?
We've had better performance. For the first time in 4 or 5 years, we've had a positive total return, and we've beaten the benchmark. And that's important. We've got a management team in Majidi that isn't really accessible in any other way in the market. This is pretty well the only way that the market can get to Majidi and its management style. Discount has narrowed, and if I can speak on a very personal level, it allows the board basically to sleep a little bit better.
Well, I'm pleased you're getting a good night's sleep. I'm sure your shareholders are happy that they can sleep well too.
Yes, I've noticed my sleep pattern has improved immensely.